Hello everyone, welcome to Bold BI. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deploy Bold BI using a Terraform script on an Elastic Container Service, or ECS. Let's begin with a quick overview of the Terraform script in ECS. The Terraform script automates the creation of all necessary AWS resources, including scaling and deployment. The Terraform script creates the following resources. The load balancer distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets like Elastic Cloud Compute EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses to ensure high availability. ECS supports hybrid clusters, allowing both EC2 and Fargate tasks to run within the same cluster. This offers flexibility in performance and cost management. Fargate is a serverless option, where AWS handles the infrastructure. Elastic File System Storage provides scalable, shared file storage for use with EC2 instances. Amazon Relation Database Service PostgreSQL servers offer a managed, scalable database for persistent data storage. Task definition specifies how Bold BI containers run in ECS, including image, resource limits, environment variables, networking, and EFS storage. Security Group, Virtual Private Cloud, Internet Gateway, and Route Table define and control networking and access rules for secure communication. This routes domain traffic to the application load balancer for your application. Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service that simplifies deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications. It allows you to run and manage Docker containers without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. Before proceeding, make sure you have the following tools and resources. Terraform CLI, which is the primary tool used to interact with Terraform, allowing you to write, plan, and create resources directly from the terminal. An AWS account with the required privileges. This account must have the necessary permissions to access and manage the following services: Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Elastic Container Service, Elastic File System, Identity and Access Management, and Amazon Relational Database. Let's start deploying Bold BI on ECS. First, download the Bold BI deployment files from GitHub. I have provided a link in the description. Next, open PowerShell. And navigate to the folder where you downloaded the deployment files. Then, you will need to set environment variables on your local machine to authenticate Terraform with your AWS account. To do this, open the System Environment Variables settings on your machine. Click Environment Variables to add new variables. First, add the variable AWS Access Key ID and its value. Similarly, add the variable AWS Secret Access Key and its value to authenticate your AWS account. You will need to add a few more system environment variables locally or to the AWS Secrets Manager. In this demo, I am adding the variables DB username, password, Bold BI email, password, unlock key, and their values locally. To host the application on a specific URL, add app-base URL and a value. If you leave this variable empty, AWS Load Balancer will generate a default URL within your service account. If you require DNS mapping with a specific domain, you have two options. Use Cloudflare API token and Cloudflare Zone ID variables, or use the Route 53 Zone ID variable. These are your choices. If you proceed with DNS mapping, you must add TFVAR ACM certificate ARN variables. In this demo, I have left the app-base URL variable empty, so I have skipped those DNS-related variables. If you need to customize any infrastructure or application level settings, then you can change them in the terraform.tfvars file. If you are using AWS Secrets Manager, you will need to specify the AWS Secret Amazon resource name in that file. In this demo, I'm not using Secrets Manager, so I haven't added it. Now let's look at deployment. Open PowerShell or the terminal from the directory, where the Terraform script files are saved. To verify whether the variables are set, run the command to display their values. Then, run this command to initialize Terraform. Next, validate the Terraform script. If successful, you will see the message, "Success. The configuration is valid." Finally, execute the command to apply the Terraform script. I leave the ACM certificate ARN, app base URL, and Route 53 zone ID variables empty and press Enter. When prompted, type Yes to approve resource creation. Once completed, you will receive the app base URL value. Copy and paste the URL into your browser, and the application startup process will begin. Bold BI will be ready for use. In this video, I have shown you how to deploy Bold BI on Elastic Container Service using a Terraform script. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.